Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to change Spotify password on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm gonna go to my Safari to open the Spotify web. I'm gonna tap on the search bar here, Spotify, and pick the first option under the top hits. And now tap on the gear icon, that means settings, and go to view account. After that, in this page, tap on account overview and there will be a pop-up. And now in this pop-up, when you see change password, you have to tap on it. Now to change your password, tap your current password first. Then type your new password under the current password column. And repeat your new password again. And if you're done, you have to tap on set new password. And your password is updated now. And there are also notifications from your email. And I'm gonna try to open it. Yeah, this is just an information. So yeah guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.